In today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace how to duplicate pages. This is a quick way to reuse a layout you already love, whether you're building out a site or creating variations for testing. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening your website and entering Edit mode. You'll see your site preview in the center and your pages list in the left sidebar. From there, navigate to the page you want to duplicate. In our example, that page is called Events, so click Events to open it in the editor. Once the page loads, click directly on the canvas to highlight the sections you want to copy. You might click the header area, a banner, or a content block. The point is to make sure the editor is focused on this page and that any elements you want carried over are recognized. If the page includes multiple sections, click through a few of them so the editor clearly registers the layout. When you're satisfied, save your changes. Use the Save button at the top to lock in anything you've touched. Then click Exit to leave the in-page editor and return to the Main Pages panel. This ensures you're back at the list of pages where duplication is available. Next, hover over the Events page in the list to reveal the page options. Then click the Options icon. Choose Duplicate Page. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Confirm to proceed. Squarespace will create a full copy of the page, including sections and design settings. It may briefly show a loading indicator, and then you'll see the duplicate appear in your pages list. You'll typically see the new page labeled something like Home, Copy, or with Copy appended to the original name. If you want to double-check the original, click Events to compare it, and then click the new copy to open and review the duplicate. You'll notice the structure, content blocks, and styling match the original, which is exactly what you want when reusing a layout. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. After duplicating, rename the new page so it's clear what it's for, and adjust the page slug to keep your URLs clean. If you don't want visitors to see the copy yet, temporarily hide it from navigation while you edit. Finally, review page settings like SEO title and description, and update any contact forms or event details that should be unique to the new page. That's it.